why would a homeowner want a maintenance agreement? Why would you want someone to get that to come check on your house from Roscoe Brown?
I'll take this one.
Okay.
Typically, the main reasons that we would want a homeowner or an individual to have a maintenance agreement, the primary reason is the peace of mind that you know the piece of equipment you have outside is going to work when you want it to work, whether it's your kid's birthday or just a weekend alone, hanging out with your wife at the house, or if you're having people over for Thanksgiving. You want to know that when that time comes, you're not going to have to explain to your relatives or your family, yeah, my system's on the fritz, I hadn't had it looked at in 10 years, you know. That's not really a good way to do it. And with the updating of equipment in our field becoming more and more efficient, a lot of warranties of the manufacturers now require you to have a system maintained, and without proof of that maintenance record, they may void your warranty. There is a clause in there that says they will not give you those parts for free if something fails, if it's due to a lack of maintenance.
Good enough reason for me.
And it's the same thing on the plumbing side.
Mm-hmm.
If they're not maintaining the water heaters, not maintaining their tankless, they can void the warranty on it. I mean, and they're expensive to put one in.
Mm-hmm.
So it's important to make sure that you're flushing them and that you're doing it on an annual basis, and you're having a plumber do it, not doing it yourself. You can't provide a receipt if you're doing it yourself.
Exactly. And we had a question